assessment. So
Yes,
everyone,
ma'am. Mohammed Saqib, stop
Saqib,
sharing.
Stop screen sharing.
Ma'am, I have a giant pen in my hand.
Muhammad went in
Oh,
Mupo
great.
to eat dinner. वो भी at 7:45 p.m. Ha ha.
Okay. Okay, so everyone just pay attention over here. As you know, your assessment week is going on. So you will be having maths assessment also. Okay. So maths assessment, note down the date. Date will be on this Monday. It is 27th July during your flipped classroom. Okay. I would upload this question paper, maths question paper on Google Classroom at 11 a.m. You have to start doing the paper at 11 a.m. and you have to hand in the assessment with solution at 12 noon, okay, or maximum by 12:05 or 12:10, maximum by that time you have to submit the, yeah.
Ma'am, we have to submit it privately, right?
Yes, privately only. Like you submit your assignments, the same way you have to submit your assessment also. Okay, just like assignment, you solve the questions in your. If you are able to solve in the same file, if you want to type it, edit it, and send it back, that is also fine.
Ma'am,
If you're not able to
Ma'am,
do
what
it,
is the
I
date?
will write it on Word and send you.
date is
Questions and
27th July, this Monday at 11 a.m. Okay.
Ma'am, you got my addition worksheet, ma'am.
Yes, I replied also. You got my reply, na? I replied to you.
27 July. Ma'am, 27 July, na?
Okay.
Yes, 27 July. Okay. If you want to write it down in the notebook, then you can write the solutions, answers, but write down the question, which question you are solving. Answer number 1, you solve it. Answer number 2, solve it. And then click pictures, clear pictures, and you can hand in back to the, as you usually do, the assignment back to me. Same way you have to submit the assessment also. Okay. So for 1 hour, you have to solve the question. Yeah.
Ma'am, if I do hand-ins, it will go privately or it will go to everyone?
It goes privately only.
Yeah, archaeology is waiting.
Okay, till now
Ma'am,
you have.
but we can.
Yeah. Yeah, Javeria.
Ma'am,
Your sound
Ma'am.
is very low, very feeble sound. I'm not able to hear. Yeah, Javeria.
Can you hear me now?
It's fine. Tell me.
But we can see others now whenever we do hand-ins.
Yeah, perfect.
Do
I
you?
can-
No, don't.
We are
post it on
able to
screen.
see.
You are able to see others?
Yeah. And ours also. The others can see ours also.
No, in maths assignment, do you see the maths assignment you
Even-
have submitted?
no,
All
ma'am,
are
not everyone.
private, na?
Oh, ma'am, we will send privately. It will not happen.
You send it privately because always I
Some
receive a
people
private
send it
comment
on-
from all of you.
Ma'am, how
Some
to do
people send it
privately?
to everyone. That's why we see everyone, and some send it privately.
See, option is there. See, when I send the question paper, I send it to everyone. So that is why I click for everyone. Okay. So you need to send it, just hand in. I think it will come. The hand in assignment is private assignment only. It comes
Yeah.
privately because when I answer your question, it goes privately to you. You don't see everyone else's chat, right? When I answer which question is correct, which question is wrong, whenever I answer these things, you're not able to see other person's chat, right? So all those assignment I'm getting privately only. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the topics, note down the topics that we see. I'll be sending it a note on Google Classroom also. So everything will be written, the timing, the date, everything will be there on stream. Today after the class, I'll upload the stream. I'll upload the syllabus, the date, the timing, about everything about the maths assessment. Okay. So the topics are Indian and international, whatever we have done till now, Indian and international number system, place value, face value, standard form, expanded form, comparison of large numbers, like the questions we have done, greater, smaller, ascending order, descending order, okay, write in words, write in figure, in Indian system, in international system, putting the commas at a proper place. Okay, so this is the number system, and then we have done rounding off to nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, and rounding decimal to nearest whole number. That's all.
Ma'am,
Okay, is it
chapters,
clear?
how many questions?
you will be able to complete in 1 hour, okay? Because there will, how many questions will be there in 1
Ma'am,
hour?
can you take only the revision of
Let's learn.
rounding, like whole numbers, decimal? Can you take the
I'll
revision
take,
of
see,
that?
you have 2 classes, you have 1 more class. Saturday's class is there. Today I'm doing the number system, and the next class will be doing the rounding of decimal numbers, tens, hundreds and thousands. And in rounding numbers, you should know how to do addition, subtraction also. Understood? When you are adding like 241 plus 352. So round off these 2 numbers and then add. Okay, if it is asked in the question. So we'll do these questions in
Ma'am,
revision.
you will-
We will
Ma'am,
understand.
word problems will also
Ma'am.
come.
Word
Ma'am,
problems,
you
smaller
will-
word problems, 1 or 2 word problems will be
Ma'am.
there. Yeah.
Ma'am, you will give word problems also.
Yes, word problems we have done in rounding off now. So word problems in rounding off we'll do. Other topics, I don't think you have word problems. But number system, you should know how to write in words, how to put commas. What is a place value? What is a 5-digit largest number? 4-digit smallest number? These things you should know. Okay. So shall we start
Ma'am,
with the
we'll
class
do
now?
face value also.
Yeah, Ibrahim, it's not clear. Tell me again.
Ma'am, we will do the face value also.
Face value is easy, na? Face value and place value. Face value is the same number. Place value, okay. Let me start with my revision. I'll explain you what are the topics, what type of questions might be asked, okay? This is just revision. So similar type of questions will be asked in the question paper also, okay? Okay, so let us start. Okay, so let us start with the revision. This thing you already know, we are just revising it. This is called as periods. In Indian place value chart, Indian numeric system, you have ones period, thousands periods, lakhs periods, and crores period. Ones may you have ones, tens, and hundreds. Thousands may you have thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs may you have lakh and 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Yes, and crores may you have crores and 10
Crore
crore.
and 10 crore.
Yes. So in Indian place value chart, where do you put commas? After
And
the first
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 three,
and
and we put in 3
and then 2.
and we 2.
And then afterwards you put 2. After 2 digits you will put commas. So this is Indian place value chart. Now if I ask you, suppose a number is given. This is a number. This is a bigger number, 54 crore 62 lakhs 93,268. So if I ask you, what is the place value of 3? So Aisha Kazi, what will you tell? What is the place value? Yes, very good.
3,000.
So the place value of 3 is 3,000. Muhammad Muhammadi, what is the face value of 3?
Can I answer?
Can I answer?
Yes, 3. Yeah. Yes. So face value is always the same number, and place value is the number at its place, and what is the, like, 3 into 1,000. So 3,000, as Aisha said, 3,000 is the place value and 3 is the face value. Okay, so this is the difference. So sometimes in the question it is asked, find out the difference between the place value and face value of 9. So what you will say? 90,000 minus 9. That will be the answer. Is it clear? If suppose question is asked, what is the difference? What is difference? Difference means subtraction. Okay. So what is the difference between the place value and face value of a particular number, of a particular digit? Suppose I'm asking 9. Okay. What is the difference in place value and face value of 9? So what is the place value of 9? What is it, Humaira? What is the place value of 9?
Face value of 9.
93,000.
No, not 93,000. It is 90,000.
90,000.
90,000.
Yes, place value is 90,000. And what is face value?
9.
Yes, very good, 9. So what is the difference between place value and face value?
Ma'am, place value, we have to see the number and multiply it by the digit, and
So that is 90,000
and the face
minus
value.
9. That is the difference, right? 90,000 minus 9. What is the difference? 90,000 minus 9. What will be the answer? 89991. Okay. You know how to subtract, na? You have learned zero subtraction also. So these questions can be asked.
Ma'am, can I see the ma'am,
Yes.
we have to show the method also,
No, you don't have to do
or
the
direct answer.
direct answer also you can write. Please stop chatting, huh? Who is thought?
Okay, thank you.
Ibrahim.
What is C, ma'am?
I don't understand who has written this. I don't understand. Last time you stopped it, na? This time I'm not able to do because this is not given here. I'm not getting the option to stop.
Ma'am, because you are not the host.
Ma'am, you are not the host.
Okay, that is why.
Golden Sparrow is the
Okay, so
host.
international place value chart. International place value mein you don't have lakhs, thousands and crores. You have millions, billions. See, till thousand is same. After that you have millions, billions. Yeah. Yes. Asking
I'm the
something.
host.
Ma'am,
I'm the host now.
international system had only 3 and 2, 2, and Indian
Correct.
systems had 3, 3, 3.
Ma'am, now you can disable the chat.
You are telling opposite,
No,
Humaira.
you are telling opposite, Humaira. International system has got 3, 3, 3, and Indian system has got 3, 2,
3,
2.
2, 2, 2.
All twos going on. Okay.
Ma'am, this we did. This was the previous PPT you showed us.
Just this thing I'm doing. Just revising. We are revising so that in your assessment you don't do anything wrong. Okay. So this thing is clear how to put arrows. Now I'll be giving you questions. This is a comparison. Mostly questions are asked like how many crores, means 10 million means dash crore. So how much it is? If you compare Indian and international system, over here it is written 10 million is 1 crore, 1 million is 10 lakh, 100,000 is 1 lakh, 10,000 is 10,000. Till here it is same. Till 10,000 Indian and international system is same, and afterwards you have 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million, and 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I did not understand this. Like 1 crore is equals to how many? Like in the first revision paper, like document you posted
Right,
on
I gave you this
classroom, I
question.
did, yeah. So I did
See,
not
when you are not
understand.
understanding what you have to do, see, if it is asked in the question 1 crore is equal to dash lakh, 1 crore is equal to dash million. That is the question. Okay. So what you will write? How many zeros are there in 1 crore? You write down 1 crore in your notebook. Everyone write down 1 crore in the notebook. 1 crore, how many zeros you are getting?
7.
7.
It is 7 ones, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore. So how many zeros? You have 7 zeros. Now you
7.
see, okay, Aisha, now just see in international system, how will you count? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000,
100,000 bill.
1 million, and then 10 million. So now you can say that 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Is it clear, everyone? If this type of question is asked, then you will write, suppose Indian mein it is asked. Suppose I am asking 10 lakh means how many million? So you don't need to learn it. You just write what is 10 lakh in numbers, and then you count in international system. This value comes out to be million. Is it clear, Aisha, Kazi? Is it clear now? Now you will be able to solve it.
Yes.
Everyone, this thing is clear because you will be asked these type of questions. Okay. Okay, let us start with the question. Question is 6,411,260. In the number form, Hamza, can you give me the answer in the number form? Write down in your notebook and you can answer. Yeah.
Million 400 and
Yeah, Humaira?
7.
Can you give me the answer? This is international system, correct? Million is there, so it is international.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I did.
Yes, give me the answer.
6411260.
6, 4,
411
1, 11,000. Okay,
260.
correct.
Yeah, ma'am,
200
I also got the
and
same answer.
Yes, so this is the
I
answer.
also got it.
Okay, next one who will do? 65,116,505. Juveria, can you give me the answer?
60 by 1, 60
Yes.
by 1, 16,
Yes,
6, 1 and 5.
5,
1,
0, 5.
1, 6,
What is the answer? Okay, let me write the answer.
65,
65
5,
million,
Comma,
116, correct? Thousand,
1000,
and then
comma,
505. So 505. Is this the answer you are getting?
Yes.
Muhammadi, the next answer 600,215. What is the answer?
6, 6.
Let Muhammad Muhammadi answer it. 600,000.
600.
Okay, 600.
600.
Yes.
Comma.
Yes, comma. Then
And then 200, 215.
215. Who is clicking to get the remote control? Please don't click it. I have to decline it again and again. Okay, yes, correct answer. 600,215. Okay, 116,110,000, Hamdan, and 39. 116 million.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
Just write it rough work only. Yeah.
100.
Yes.
116.
116.
6. 1.
Correct. Comma.
1.
Then
110.
110. Okay. Then
39, comma 39.
10 will be there, na?
390.
100 place is not there. So 039.
Yes, 039.
Okay. So be careful where you have to place 0 because 100 is not mentioned over here. So that means 100 is not, 100's place is 0. So only 39. Okay. Okay, Abdullah, 45,460,902.
Yes, ma'am. 55,460,900.
55 million. What is it?
So, ma'am, 55. Double 5.
Yes. Then, comma. You need to put commas also. Okay.
Yes.
Then,
55, then 460,000. So, only, ma'am, 460.
yes, 460. Then,
Comma.
okay. Then,
902.
902.
yes.
Aisha
90.
Kasi, it is my turn. Don't say.
Yes. See, I'm naming somebody. That person will answer. Okay. Don't answer together. I don't understand who is answering them. Okay. Zuveria, 8,319,612.
8, 3,
8, then you will put comma, right? You have to put comma also when you're writing number. 8, then 3.
9, 1.
The next one
19.
can I
This is
answer?
19. So 19.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
319,000. Then
6, 1, 12,
6,
Ma'am,
1.
the next one can I answer?
comma.
Okay, Aisha.
No, it's done.
Yes, this is the answer.
Yeah.
Yes. Aisha Aga. 90,410. 90,000. It is 90,000. So you will have to put 90.
90, comma, and then 4 and 10.
410. So this is the answer. Muhammad Saqib.
Yes, ma'am.
625,010,460.
600, 600.
625 million. So why 6?
No, ma'am. 625.
Yes, 625, then
625.
comma.
Comma.
625 million, then
Yes, ma'am.
10,000.
10,000. It will be 10.
Okay.
And 464. No, 100.
Okay.
And 460.
4.
60.
Just count it. 460. Is it? Just a moment. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Then
10,000.
100,000. Then 10,000. Okay. Then 5. This is million. 10 million,
10
and
million,
100.
100 million.
Yes. So is it correct? Everyone
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Yeah. Anas, what is the next one? 9 million.
90.
9. And then
9
how many zeros?
2, 3,
3, then comma.
comma, then 3 0 again.
So 6 zeros will be there on 9 million. Okay? Okay. Yes?
Ma'am,
Batul? The next. Yes, who is asking?
me, Julia.
Yeah, Juveria.
Ma'am, I did not understand the second one.
Second one, this one, 65 million.
Yes.
65 million. So you will write 65, comma, then 116. So 116, 16,000. This is a thousand period. Okay. Then 505. You don't have any tens place over here because 500, otherwise it would have been written 515 or 525, but you don't have. It is just units place. So your answer is 505. Is it clear? In international, you have to remember three digits and then commas will be there.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
In international, it is that way. Okay, Rushda, the last one. 203 million. Rushda is there now without name and without video.
Ma'am, can I say something? In the second one, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, who is asking? Yes, who is asking? Ask the question.
Ma'am, by mistake.
You got it? Omar, you were asking? Okay. Yeah, Rushda. Rushda, last answer. 203,105,069. Yeah. 203, simple. 203 you have to write. 203 million, then okay, Batul, you can also answer. Yeah, 105,000. So what you will write after it?
105
Correct.
and 69.
69. So you have to write 069 because hundreds place you don't have anything. So 069. So you have to be careful where you are placing zeros. Okay. So this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the number described by each place value list below. Now first answer who will give me? Batul, now your turn. 9 ones, 800s, 1000, 4, 10,000. All are mixed. You have to tell the answer. What is the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Let Batul answer first.
First we have to write
4,000.
First you will write 10,000. So what will be the first digit, Batul?
4.
4. Okay, next.
1.
Then 1.
Correct. 1. Then
8.
8.
9.
Then
9.
Ma'am,
but
this
tens
also
is
No,
not there.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Tens
4
is there.
0. Ma'am, 4 0 1.
40,000 and 1,000. So 41809. Now you say 9 ones, 0 tens, 800s, 1,000 and 4 10,000. Is it clear? There is no tens place over here. So no tens place, so 0 at tens place. So this is your answer. And then you will put commas. 41,809. This is your answer. See, if you are facing any problem, you can ask this time only. Okay, Humaira, next question. 3 ones, 2 tens, 400. So which digit will I write first?
4 2 3.
Correct, very good. 4, 2. Who gave me the answer? Humaira gave me the answer or someone else?
Muhammad Shakib.
Why, Muhammad? Your name is Humaira?
No.
Then I asked Humaira. Okay, Humaira, next question. Next is this one. Which 8 1, 7 tens, 800, 6,000, 7 10,000. Which digit I'll write first? Yes, Humaira, which digit? Humaira is not audible.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Umar, you tell.
Ma'am, can I say?
7. 10,000.
Yes, 7. 7, 10,000 is so 7. After 7, what will I write?
6.
6, ma'am.
6. Okay. After 6,
Ma'am, you can hear me?
8 7
yes,
8.
now
you
Humaira,
can
I
hear
can
me?
hear you.
8, 7 and then 7, 6.
7, 8.
Yes,
7,
7,
6,
6,
8.
8.
7,
7, 8.
Correct. This is the answer. So now you know how to write it. Okay. What is the next one? Batul? The next one. Who didn't understand?
Ma'am, Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, you have not understood, right? 7 10,000, which is 70,000, okay, plus 6,000. So 70,000 plus 6, just place values are given here. You know place values. So 7 ka place value 70,000, 6 ka place value is 6,000, 8 is 100, 7 is 7 tens, and 8 1. So this is the answer. So you have to start. What is the technique to do? You have to start with the highest place value, and then you proceed afterwards. Like in this question, I'm explaining this question. This is the highest place value. What is the highest place value over here? 3 10,000. Okay. So Anas, what will I write first?
But we were going opposite. It is opposite.
No, 10,000. So last digit is our. I have to start from the highest place value, because highest place value is at left hand side. And who is doing this requesting remote control of your screen?
Ma'am, you can get the name, ma'am.
Okay, leave it. I don't have that much time. Let us study and revise, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, so I'm explaining it. 3 10,000 is the highest place value. So first I will write, yeah.
Ma'am,
3 5 8 3.
Correct. 3 5 8. Why 3? One place.
35803. 35803.
Yes, 35803, because no tens is there. So at tens place you have to write 0. Now in the next question, which number I'll write first? Aisha Kazi, which number? 1 10,000. So I'll
1,
write 1,
then again 1.
then again 1, then
Ma'am, can I answer the next 4 1? 9 4 1.
4 1.
hundreds,
1.
940.
Can I answer the next one?
Okay,
Then
answer the
you
next
will
one.
put commas. Then you will put commas after 11.
Correct.
Comma.
Okay. Okay, Ibrahim, next one.
Number
Yeah, after that you will answer.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, which one? Fifth one or the sixth?
Sixth one. This one. 4, 10,000, 4,000. This one.
Ma'am,
44995.
Yeah, somebody gave the answer. 10,000. This is last digit, na? 10,000. So 4. See, ones place is here in the right hand side will be the ones place, and extreme left hand side is the 10,000. So 4 10,000, then 4,000. So 4, then 900, then 90, and then 5. This is the answer. Understood, Ibrahim?
Ma'am,
yeah, ma'am. Can I try? Ma'am, can I try next one?
Okay, try next one.
3, 2,
3,
Ma'am, can I do the next one?
466.
4,
3, 2.
6, 6. 4,
correct.
6,
4,
6.
6, 6. Okay.
Why are
next
you
one.
telling Mohammed Saqib? It is my turn now.
Yahya,
Yes, ma'am.
next answer.
Ma'am, can I answer the next one? 8 1 or 7 1?
8th one.
Okay. Shruti ma'am, can I answer the next one?
Okay, next
6
one. Let
3
Yahya answer. 6, yes.
3
Correct.
comma
Okay.
152.
152. Yes, this is the correct answer. Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, I
Aga.
understood. It is very easy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I do the next one?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Anas,
do the
don't
next
do this.
Ma'am, after that, can I do the 10th one?
Wait.
Ma'am,
Anas will answer. Yes, Aisha Kazi. No, Aisha
Ma'am.
Aga. Yeah, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, 6, 8, 7, 5 and 5.
6, 8, 7,
Ma'am,
5,
I can do one.
5 and then 5.
5.
I can
Yes,
do last
Humaira.
one. Ma'am, I
Okay,
can
Humaira,
do
do the
last
last one. Yeah.
Ma'am, 6th one
first
you didn't
eight.
put, no sorry, 7th one you didn't put the comma.
8 2.
Okay, Humaira, the last one.
I'm 8 to 8.
Ma'am, the 7th one.
8281.
8, 2, 8,
8 to 8 There is no 10.
there. So when no 10 is
8 to
there,
8 0
you
1.
have to put a 0. Okay. Okay, moving on to next questions.
8 to 8 0 1.
Now rewrite the following and place comma as per the international system. So this is very easy.
Ma'am,
You just
can you
have
1 minute go back?
Which question?
No, this not this one.
Then which question? We don't need to write down. This is just practice question. Okay. So what you will do, I'm not doing this question. We have to just.
Ma'am, international or Indian?
It is international. So you'll just put commas and
Comma
three-
after 3 digits. After
If
every
I'm not doing it, these type of question you'll get, right? Write the following in
word.
number in words. So I'm just
Ma'am,
giving you
Ma'am, if it
samples.
is only given words, then we have to write in Indian. Now, if it is specifically given international, then we have to write in international.
I'll explain you how to understand whether in which, see here commas are given. Now do you understand which system is this?
Yeah, international.
This is
International.
international system. So it is understood that this answer you have to write in international system. Okay. So Dr. Strange, what is the answer for this first question? In words you have to speak.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
No, don't write. Just practice it here in the class. Pay attention in the class, you will remember. Later on, you can see the recording and check what questions you did. Okay, who is Dr. Strange?
Hamza.
Hamza. Okay, what is the answer? First one, 12, 367, 169. International system because 3 digits, comma, is placed. So it is international system. What is the answer? Okay, Abdullah, what is the answer?
Ma'am, ma'am.
12 million.
Yes.
Ma'am, 12 million.
I am Abdullah.
Ma'am, what we have to do in the first one?
This one you just have to place the commas.
Ma'am, I request you, can you please
Ma'am,
mute
please tell
everybody
everyone to mute and you
unmute?
call 1-1.
Everybody is muted only.
Ma'am, I wanted to say something. Whoever you want to give answer, so unmute them only and mute everyone else.
Yes, but all of you unmute yourself on your own now always and keep start.
Ma'am, somebody prompts the answer like Mohammad Saqib every time.
Okay. Now I am asking one person. Yes, Abdullah. What is the answer? 12, 3, 6, 7,
Ma'am,
1,
what
6,
we have
9.
to do in the first one?
Which first? This one you are telling? You don't have to do anything. You have to just place commas in international system. We are not doing that. We are doing this one.
Can I do the second one?
Wait, I'm asking everybody's name. Let Abdullah do. First one first. Yeah, 12, 3, 6, 7, 1, 6, 9. Let him answer.
12,367,169.
Yes, correct answer. Okay, second one. Muhammad Saqib.
5,305,832.
Okay. Third one, Juwairia.
Yes. 700,000, 10,000 lakh. 7 lakh.
This one, Juwairia, this one. 516,809.
Unit 10,000, 2,000 lakh, 10 lakh. 5 crore.
It is international. See, three commas are there. After three digits, comma is there. So it is international system that you have to understand on your own. 3
Million, billion.
So it
Lakh
is
and crore.
15 billion.
516 million. Yes. Then
8900.
809,543.
543.
Yes. Okay. Anas,
And can I say?
just wait. I'll be calling everyone's name. Just raise your hand. I can see you all. Okay. Okay. Fourth one, Anas.
Fourth one.
This is 623092391. What is the answer?
623 million.
Yeah, 600 what?
623 million.
Yes.
623 million. 12 million.
Yes.
23 million.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have questions.
Correct. Let me hear the answer. All of you are saying, ma'am, I cannot hear the answer. Who is answering?
Ma'am,
Okay.
in the end, please give me
Yes,
5
continue on
minutes.
us. 623,092,000 and
22,391.
91. Yes, very good. Batul, fifth one, 229,008,507.
200 million, 29 million,
Yes.
and 850, 8,507.
Yes. Correct. To 29,008,507.
Your voice is
Yahya,
breaking.
Ma'am,
sixth
can I
one.
say the
Yahya,
next one?
Your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
can I say the sixth one?
coming to everyone. Yes, Yahya.
220. Ma'am, I am telling the fifth one, or we have to tell the sixth one. Which
Sixth one. Sixth one.
Okay. 209 million.
Ma'am, I can I say the next one?
381.
Let me hear the
Ma'am, can I
answer.
say
Yes.
the next
All
one?
of you pay attention to the answer.
Please mute everybody. Please
I
mute
have
everybody,
muted every
ma'am.
time. I cannot mute everyone.
Aisha Aga ma'am told that she will give everyone
Chance. Yes. Because I'm not able to hear the answer. And you also pay attention to the answer. If the answer is wrong, you have to tell me that they are answering it wrongly. Okay? So pay attention to the answer what everyone is giving. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yahya
should I
gave
tell
the
again?
answer. No, I heard, beta. I heard it. 209,383,381. Okay, that was your answer. Okay,
Yes,
Dr.
ma'am.
Strange is not giving me the answer. Muhammad Saqib, give me the next answer.
Mohammed Saqib is done, ma'am.
43,900,543.
Yes, Muhammad.
Ma'am, he just got a chance, ma'am. We didn't get to.
Okay, I'll give you a chance. Muhammadi, next.
60,070.
This
Then-
one.
then-
Can
Ma'am,
where did you put it?
10,60,070.
70. Okay, good. Okay, next Ibrahim, and then last Aisha Aga.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama,
751. Humaira, please be muted.
Okay, Humaira,
751
I'll
million.
give you a chance.
751,492,009.
Okay. Yes, Aisha Kazi.
should I write this down?
No need to write down. Just pay attention in the class how we are doing. Yes, Aisha Kazi, 789.
Share and share again because this is really blur.
789,409,090.
Yes. Humaira, can you give me question number 5 ka answer? This one, 229,008,507. What is the answer for this?
Ma'am, can you
229,008.
please share again? Because this is really blur.
What happened? Yeah, Hamza, you're not able to see?
It is really blur in my screen.
Okay, I'm just going to the next screen. Just see.
Ma'am, it is fully clear.
It's clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's not in my screen.
It is clear, ma'am. But you can share it
Ma'am,
again.
Hamdan
for
is in
Hamdan.
Gujarat now.
Okay, let me just wait.
There is
I'm
no problem
sharing
in
it again.
Gujarat, okay?
Stop share. I'm sharing it again. Okay. Fine now?
Yes, ma'am, it's not blur now. Yes, ma'am, this one is a little blur.
Oh, this picture is
Ma'am,
only
it's
blurred.
nice.
Wait. Okay. So now this you can write. I'm not giving you this question to do. 12,367,100 and this is written in words and you have to write in figure. All of you know how to do this, so I'm not doing this question. You know how to do it, Humaira? Can you answer this first question? 12 million.
Ma'am, it is the answer is written here. 1, 2, 3,
Humaira, what is the answer?
12 million.
Yes, 1, 2.
12.
Ma'am, above it is written.
Let her answer first.
300.
1, 2 you will write. Then put comma. Then 3.
3 0 6
No, 6, 7. 3,
6,
6,
7.
7.
6
And then
7.
169.
109.
69. So 169 is the answer. Understood how you have to do? You want to do these questions?
No, ma'am, the answers are above it.
No, ma'am.
Read it now.
Answers are above only, na? The same thing.
Yeah,
Answer.
ma'am, that only.
Yeah. So same way you have to write, either the figures will be asked, you have to write in words, or you have to, question will be in words and you have to write in figure. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. You have to give me what is the number missing over here? The whole
Just
number
2.
354912. Now,
Two.
there. Just check. Yahya, what number I'll write? The place value with the missing
Ma'am,
place
2.
value you have to write.
3. Ma'am,
How many zeros? 3, but how many zeros I need to
3.
write? Don't-
5 zeros.
5
Ma'am,
zeros.
5 zeros. 5 zeros.
5 zeros.
Yes, 3 pay, I have to write 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. Okay,
Ma'am,
next
but I did
one.
not understand how to do this.
This is a place value question. You know how to write 354912 in expanded form? 3 into 5 zeros, 3 into lakh plus 55 into 50. This is 50,000. This is 4,900. And this is 10.
I understood.
Now it is clear. See, all
It is
this
jumbled, ma'am.
expanded form.
Ma'am, it is
Now the
jumbled.
next
Ma'am, it is jumbled. I will show
It is
you.
jumbled, yes.
Uh,
It is
ma'am.
written in the jumbled way. You don't write it in that way. So it is to
Ma'am.
confuse you. It's written in that way. Yeah, Anas.
Ma'am,
They want
Ma'am.
to see you.
Ma'am, I know. 2 and 3 zeros. 2000. Ma'am, 2000.
4,
Ma'am,
1,
if it
9 is there and 4, 2
Everybody
is
think
there.
yourself.
2000.
Think yourself first. Go ahead.
2000.
Is the answer over here.
Ma'am,
Anas, did you not
2000.
Understand how you have to do?
Mustafa, yes, thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah, ready? Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Okay. Hamdan,
uh,
can you give me the next
Ma'am.
answer? Which digit is missing? First you see that digit and then put the number of zeros. I think 4 is not there. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3,
0.
4,
6
5.
zeros. 5.
5 zeros.
Five zeros, ma'am. 4 and 5 zeros.
Now do you understand how to solve it? Next one.
Ma'am, can I
Next one,
tell?
Aisha Kazi.
something, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Voice is not clear. Who is asking?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Zuveria, what are you asking?
if it is place value, so we have to write the expanded form, and if it is face value, you have to directly write just
Write the number. Yes. So it is here missing place value. So I have to write with the zeros. Okay. Place value is always written with the zeros position of that zeros. Okay.
Grade
Okay,
5
Aisha,
addition.
you told me to do
What is
the
next
next
answer?
one.
Ma'am, this one
Ma'am,
is
you
written
told
in a
me to do
jumble
the next
format.
one.
Ma'am, here should be 2. So,
Yeah, Aisha Kazi.
Yeah.
100.
See, 1 is not there. No?
4. Yeah.
Ma'am, in
100.
the end, please can you give me 5 minutes? I have some
One is
questions.
Okay,
100
5
is
minutes is left.
missing.
Tell me what are your doubts?
Ma'am,
Ibrahim,
see. Ma'am, this Indian
ma'am,
place
ma'am,
value
I
chat.
have a doubt that this will come in a jumble format, na?
this might come in a jumble format to confuse you. Okay, so you
Ma'am.
have to just, yeah. What is your doubt?
See, ma'am, see in the in Indian place value chat, where is it used? Where is
Where
the
it-
Indian place value used?
See, Indian place, we are staying in India, so whenever in
So, ma'am, that means it is only used in India or it is used in more countries?
it is mostly used in India only. International place
Ma'am,
value is
why?
used all over the world.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so
Ma'am, Mohammed Saqib lives in Dubai. That's why.
Okay.
ma'am, why if Indian place value chat is used in other countries, why is it named in Indian? Why is it not named other country?
Indian place value chart is Indian only, na? So that
Only
is why
India or some else country? Only India.
India made it.
it has been discovered in India only. So it is Indian place value chart. Rest of the world, they talk in millions and billions. And in India, we talk about lakhs, crores, Arab, Kharab. So these
Okay,
are
ma'am.
our Indian naming system. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So everyone, just let us complete this one, and then that will be the last topic today. Then we'll continue in Saturday. We'll continue the revision. Okay. Okay. Next one, 0250304. What is the answer?
60.
The 6 is not there in this number. 250304. Where is 6?
Ma'am, I am above it.
Okay, this one you are doing. Yes, this
Yeah,
one is
60.
60. Okay, this we didn't do 60. Okay, Anas, now did you understand? Will you give me the answer for this? 250304. What is the number missing over here?
Ma'am, can I tell,
2
ma'am, please?
2 and 5 zeros.
Yes, 2 and 5 zeros. So 2 zeros and 5 zeros. Is it
Ma'am,
clear?
can I tell the next one? Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
Okay,
Yeah,
next one. Tell me what is the next one? Fast.
Okay. 63. Ma'am, 800.
Correct, 800. Next one, faster.
Ma'am, can I
Time is
say? Ma'am,
over.
can I say? Ma'am, can I
Yes,
say?
faster. Tell me.
Ma'am, 9 is missing, ma'am. 9 and 4 0.
9 and 5 zeros.
4 zeros.
9
Five zeros.
5 zeros, ma'am. 5
5 zeros.
50 is 40 is already there. Okay, 50.
zero.
Yes.
See, ma'am, I know.
Yeah, 5 zeros. Okay.
1 0. Second one is
This one, what is missing?
1
Seven?
0.
1 0.
7 is already there.
1 0. 1
10.
0.
10 is missing.
1 0.
This one,
This one.
9 and 4 0. 3 0.
9 and
9 and 10, 3 zeros.
okay. So let us stop now. The time is over. So we'll continue it in the next class. We'll continue with the revision.
Ma'am, in next class, whole number decimals, ma'am. Convert.
Yes, we'll do the whole number
And ma'am,
decimal
round
and
off
rest
to
of the
nearest
numbers.
10,000 and 1,000.
Okay, is it clear? I'll be sending you the assessment topics, date and timing today in the Google Classroom. Please check Google Classroom, the topics for the preparation of assessment. Okay? Okay, see you on Saturday, the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.